To organize something like this requires a lot of resources, and thank you for coming in to sponsor this big event. This is to honor the Uganda Matters. It's such a big story that I don't know any of you who says you've had all that needs to be heard about the matters. It's such a big story. I think sometimes as Ugandans, we don't realize the size of this story, the magnitude of the story of the Uganda Matters.
Through your voices and harmonies, you, the choristers, have not only uplifted our souls, but you have also preached. You've honored the matters in a way no monument or speech could fully capture, by bringing their memory to life in the most beautiful and heartfelt language of all, music.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.